In today's fast-paced corporate world, where buzzwords fly around boardrooms like paper airplanes, one term has steadfastly held its ground: empathy. It's not just a nice-to-have, but a must-have in the modern workplace. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another, is more than a soft skill. It's a superpower in building better workplace relationships. Let's dive in, shall we? First things first, empathy is not about pitying your colleagues after they spill coffee on their white shirt, though a little sympathy wouldn't hurt. It's about genuinely understanding their perspectives and emotions. Empathy in the workplace goes beyond mere acknowledgement of what others are going through. It involves an active effort to comprehend and relate to their experiences. Empathizing with colleagues doesn't mean you have to agree with them all the time or take on their problems as your own. It's about seeing the world from their point of view, even if it's just for a moment. This can be as simple as acknowledging a teammate's frustration over a delayed project or understanding the stress of balancing work and personal life. Empathy isn't just good for the soul, it's good for business. Studies have shown that empathetic workplaces tend to have higher job satisfaction, better team collaboration, and improved employee loyalty. It's like a domino effect, where one act of empathy leads to a more harmonious work environment, benefiting everyone involved. So, how do we build this magical skill? It starts with active listening. This means not just hearing but understanding what's being said, and what's not being said. Acknowledge their feelings, even if it's just a nod or a "I see where you're coming from." Finally, respond appropriately, which can range from offering help to simply providing a space for them to express themselves. Let's be real, being empathetic all the time is hard. There are days when you might feel more like a grumpy cat than a compassionate colleague. The key is to recognize your own limits and practice self-empathy. Yes, you heard that right. Being kind to yourself is a crucial step in being able to extend empathy to others. For those in leadership roles, empathy is not just a nice-to-have. It's a leadership imperative. Leaders who demonstrate empathy can foster a sense of trust and safety among their team members, leading to a more open, creative, and engaged workforce. As we navigate the complexities of the modern workplace, including remote work and cultural diversity, empathy becomes even more crucial. It's the bridge that connects diverse perspectives and fosters an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and heard. In conclusion, empathy in the workplace is about creating a culture where people feel seen, heard, and valued. It's about understanding that behind every email, every project, and every meeting, there are humans with their own stories, struggles, and successes. By fostering empathy, we not only enhance our professional relationships but also contribute to a more compassionate, productive, and fulfilling work environment. Now, isn't that a workplace we all want to be part of? As we wrap up our exploration of empathy in the workplace, it's clear that this is not just a fleeting trend, but a fundamental shift in how we view and value our professional interactions. Embracing empathy is not only about enhancing our immediate work environment but also about contributing to a broader culture of understanding and respect. But this is just the beginning. The journey towards building empathetic workplaces is ongoing, and we are all participants in this transformative process. Whether you're a team member, a leader, or someone simply interested in the dynamics of workplace relationships, your role in this journey is crucial. To continue exploring these vital topics and to stay updated on the latest insights and strategies for fostering empathy in the workplace, I invite you to subscribe to our content. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of information that can help you navigate the complexities of modern professional relationships with emotional intelligence and sensitivity. So, let's take this step together. Subscribe now and become part of a growing movement towards more empathetic, understanding, and ultimately, more successful workplaces. Remember, every subscription is not just a commitment to our content. It's a commitment to fostering a better, more empathetic work environment for us all. Let's make the professional world a place where empathy is not just valued, but practiced daily. Subscribe today and be a part of this exciting journey.